Now this is a fun one. We have a big triangle split into smaller triangles. We have a triangle here, we have another triangle here, and another triangle here. And they also give you some information. They give you a bunch of right angles, you see them right here, and they give you the angle of 32 degrees. With this information, I'm going to tell you, I want you to find every single angle in this problem. And it's actually pretty simple. Let's start with the easiest one. The easiest one you can think of is this one, because we know that a straight line makes what kind of degrees? 180. Well, if this box means 90 degrees, then the other side has to also be 90, because 90 plus 90 is 180, correct? Now, take a look over here. This is a little triangle, correct? And we know a triangle is made up of how many degrees? 180. Well, if you grab the 180 and you subtract this 90, you get 90. And if you subtract that 32, you get 90 minus 32, you get 58 degrees. So you found this angle, which is 58 degrees. You see, we're solving this, a piece of cake. Now, be careful here, guys, because I know you see this is a 90 degrees, but nobody told you this angle is cutting it exactly in half. What makes you think that this is 45 and this is 45? Nobody told you that, and you shouldn't assume, so be careful there. The easiest thing we could do now is, well, instead of focusing here, guys, we could focus right here. Because again, we got ourselves another straight line, and we know a straight line is 180 degrees. Well, if we know this is 90, then we have 90 left, right? If we know this is 58, well, what's 90 minus 58? Let's grab a calculator. 90 minus 58 is actually 32 degrees. You see this, guys? And now look at this. Here's a triangle. We know this is 32. We know this is 90. You see how the pattern we're doing here? Well, let's do it again. If we have 180 minus 32, that's 148, minus 90, that's 58. You see? Notice he wasn't 45. It's 58 degrees. Now, we know this is 90, so if that's 58, well, what's 90 minus 58? That's 32. And we're missing the last one. Now, there's two ways you could do it, guys. Now you know this is 90, you know this is 32, and you have your work made out easy for you, or you could have done it sooner. You know why? Because if you haven't noticed, this is a big triangle itself. You notice? So if this corner is 32 and this corner is 90, well, let's grab a calculator, guys. What's 180 minus 90 minus 32? Let's see. 180 minus 90 minus 32. It's actually 58 degrees. Whoa, 58 degrees. And that's how we found all angles in this problem.